In a quiet room, two friends pondered the universe's birth. What if the Big Bang was just a cosmic sneeze? One mused, eyes twinkling with curiosity. A sneeze? The other laughed. Then who caught the cold? Silence followed as they imagined a universe born from a sneeze, expanding with each breath. Maybe, the first friend said, it's not about how it started, but what we do with it now. The other nodded, realizing the universe's mystery mirrored their own lives. Let's make our own Big Bang, they agreed, embracing the unknown. Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.